సో హలో అండి, వెల్కమ్ టు విదాత్రి. ముందుగా అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. అండ్ టుడే ద లైవ్ సెషన్ ఇస్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ కంచిపట్టు శారీస్. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్స్ అండి. యూ కెన్ సీ ద కలర్స్, వెరీ బ్రైట్ అండ్ ఎలిగెంట్. కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ కూడా చాలా చక్కగా ఉన్నాయి. So hello everyone, welcome to Vidatri. In this live session, I'll be showing you around 20 sarees in this live session. These are the stunning collections of pretty pattu sarees, the Kanchi Pattu sarees. Name kattukunnadi one of the beautiful color andi. It's a pretty green color with blue color border. Rendu kuda manchi combinations, and the saree prices on request. మీరు కామెంట్ చేయొచ్చు your favorite color in the comment section. This is light peach color, peach with sea green. Such a beautiful color andi. And saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి golden zari motifs వస్తుంది. And the khadi zari border running on either sides. So here's the pallu with rich combination. Sea green with golden zari. Very beautiful collection, and the contrast color kuda chala baagundi. And here's the blouse, the sea green, two light combinations, peach with sea green. So the saree prices on request. Please do comment down your favorite color in the comment section. We'll reply you back. This is light pink with violet color combination. Two different colors, and the saree is with full of golden zari, khadi zari border, and the saree with silver weave. Two zaris in the saree. And here's the pallu. So pallu with pretty designer, violet with golden zari. And we have got a contrast blouse. So this is the blouse and with the bigger border. మనం మగ్గం వర్క్స్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. So the saree prices are on request today. All are beautiful Kanchi Pattu sarees, the bright colors. This is ravishing red. This looks full of golden zari andi. You can see the motifs completely running with cross puzzle check pattern, and the same color borders running on either sides. Khadi zari border. Here's the pallu with same combination. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి same color. So blouse కూడా మనకి running వస్తుందండి. So this is how the blouse looks. Orange and orange combination. And the saree price is on request. This is light silver color with pink color combo. Two different colors which gives you an elegant look. And body of the saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి silver weave వస్తుంది. And the border also with silver weave. It's like 8-inch border in the bottom. So here's the pallu with golden weave. Saree and border మొత్తం silver zari వస్తుంది, but the pallu comes with golden weave. ఈ సారీలో కూడా we can see the two zari combinations. So here's the blouse with two shades, different shades, and the saree prices are on request today. So we bridal collections ka kuda వస్తుందండి, the pretty Kanchi Pattu sarees. And this is blue color, royal blue with purple combination. Two bright colors, and border kuda manki purple. Two khadi zari borders running on either sides. And the saree is with full of designer. Such a lightweight saree. So here's the pallu with golden zari, which gives you a royal look. So here's a contrast blouse, purple color with a bigger border. And each saree price వచ్చేసి 23,490. You can even visit and explore our store, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. So this is dark pink, very bright color with navy blue color combination, and the border with golden weave. And saree is full of motifs అండి. You can see the motifs. కొంచెం పెద్ద సైజ్ మోటివ్స్ వస్తుంది. కంప్లీట్ శారీ ఇస్ రన్నింగ్. అండ్ హియర్స్ ద పళ్ళు విత్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ కలర్. డీటెయిలింగ్ కూడా చాలా చక్కగా వచ్చింది శారీకి. అండ్ యూ కెన్ ఈవెన్ సీ ద కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లౌజ్. ఇట్స్ విత్ అ థిన్ బార్డర్ అండి. వీ కెన్ గో విత్ ద మెగా స్లీవ్స్. అండ్ ద శారీ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ ఆన్ రిక్వెస్ట్. You can even comment down your favorite color in the comment section. And మీరు ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి ఆర్డర్ చేయొచ్చు. దిస్ ఇస్ లైట్ గ్రే విత్ ఎల్లో కాంబినేషన్. శారీ మొత్తం కూడా యూ కెన్ సీ ద డిజైనర్ అండి. ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ విత్ బ్లాక్ అండ్ ఎల్లో కాంబినేషన్. అండ్ 2 కడీ జరీ బార్డర్స్ విత్ సిల్వర్ జరీ. బాటమ్ బార్డర్ కొంచెం పెద్దగా వస్తుంది. సో ప్లీట్స్ పెట్టుకున్నప్పుడు చాలా అందంగా వస్తుంది. సో హియర్స్ ద pallu with rich weave, which gives you a classy finish. So here's the blouse. So blouse with a bigger border. We can go with the Maggam works. And the saree prices are on request today. These are the beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. Very traditional. This is green with purple. Light and bright color combinations. Saree మొత్తం కూడా సిల్వర్ జరీ డిజైన్స్ చూడొచ్చండి. And the border also with silver weave. Pretty and elegant with thin borders running on either sides. So here's the pallu with purple and silver combination. One of the prettiest. And here's the blouse. So blouse is also with thin border and self design. Very pretty color only. Green with purple. And each saree price వచ్చేసి 29,990. This is pink color. So we're also shipping these sarees worldwide. Pink with purple again. 2 bright colors. And golden color booties వస్తుందండి complete saree. And the golden zari border, pretty designer border running on either sides. The violet color combination. So here's the pallu with blue, royal blue. 3 different colors వస్తుందండి సారీలో. Very beautiful one. చాలా రాయల్ లుక్ ఇస్తుంది. And you can even see the blouse, the contrast. We can go with the Maggam works. And the saree price is on request. This is one of the pleasant color, green color, sea green with a bigger border, golden zari border with magenta pink piping. Very beautiful saree with silver zari. Light combination. And here's the pallu with pink color. So you can see the detailing clearly. Body of the saree is with silver weave and the pallus of golden weave. 2 different zaris in the saree. So here's the blouse with a bigger border. So manam elbows aka stitch chesukochu, which gives you elegant look. And the saree prices are on request today. So this is violet with purple, one of my favorite color. And ee color andarki chala baga set avutundi. So you can see sarees with full of floral designs. It's booties. And the khadi zari border, which is purple color. Here's the pallu, which is very bright and elegant. The dark golden weave. So here's the blouse with a bigger border. Manam bell sleeves petkochu. And the saree prices on request. So this is green color, one of the classy color. Green with orange, one of the evergreen combination. And saree also is like full of designer, which is green color only. And the bigger skirt border with golden zari combination. So here's the pallu with golden zari, orange with golden weave. And here is a rich looking blouse with a bigger border. Self pattern kuda vastundi. We can go with the Maggam works. You can even comment down your favorite color in the comment section. So this is the WhatsApp number. Ee number lo meeru order cheyachandi, or even you can make some inquiries. This is olive green, one of the rare color, and the red color border. Bigger border ostundandi with designer. So pleats pettukunnappudu chaala chakkaga untundi. And sarees with full of floral designs. You can see the multiple colors. Green and orange be the highlight. So here is the pallu with rich combinations, golden zari designs. Detailing kuda chaala chakkaga undi. So here's the blouse with a bigger border. Manam elbows daka stitch chesukochu. So you can even see the designs on it. Such a pretty one. And the saree price is on request. So this is green color only, chala chakkati color. Suits for everyone. Green with pink color. You can see the bigger border. Pink with golden weave is always a beautiful combination. And saree mottam kuda manaki silver zari designer vastundi. Such a beautiful designer. This is the pallu with ravishing color. Complete zari work andi, so it gives you a rich look. Manaki bridal collections ga kuda chaala chakkaga untundi. So here's a blouse with a bigger border. Very pretty detailing. So the saree price is on request. So here's the orange shade, light orange with green. Saree mottam kuda manaki light color ostundandi, whereas the border is pretty dark. The bright green with golden zari. Saree mottam kuda manaki silver zari vastundi. Two different zari works. So here's the pallu with mango designs on it. Green with golden weave. And here's the blouse. So blouse with a bigger border. And the saree price is on request. This is yellow with pink. The beautiful combination. Saree mottam kuda chudachandi. The silver zari booties, floral design. And the border even with traditional designs, you can see. With rich designer. Such a beautiful combination. So here's the pallu. Difference chudachandi, yellow with pink. So here is the blouse. Blouse kuda koncham pedda border ustundi. We can stitch it half the elbows. Royal look combination. So the prices are on request. Here's another pleasant color combination. Light peach with copper sulphate blue. Two different colors. And the saree is with completely silver zari only. And the border with golden zari combination. Chala chakkati designs ustundi manaki border lo. You can see the peacock designs on it. This is the pallu. Pallu with royal designs. Mottam kuda golden zari combination. Such a beautiful color. And you can even see the blouse. So blouse with a bigger border. Very pretty. So the saree price is on request. ఈ sarees అన్ని కూడా మేము వరల్డ్ వైడ్ షిప్ చేస్తున్నాము. So please do order on WhatsApp. This is yellow with maroon shade. రెండు కూడా bright colors. And saree is with full of golden booties and very light color. And 2 kadi zari borders. Different size ustundi. The bottom is little bigger. So here's the pallu with beautiful zari work. Manam single ga kuda plan chesukochu. And this is the blouse. So blouse with a bigger border. Very beautiful combination. And here's the last one for today. From the collection of beautiful lightweight Kanchipattu sarees. This is light peach pink color combination. And the border is of lemon yellow. Complete saree kuda manki golden zari tho vastundi. With pretty designers running all over. Such an elegant color combination. And here's attractive pallu with light colors. So here's the blouse with a bigger border. So the saree prices are on request. So almost all the sarees kuda manki 35,000 below range lo unnayandi. The pure Kanchipattu sarees. Hope you all loved it. And meer ganaka order cheyalanunte so ee number ki order cheyochu, which is the WhatsApp number. Please do take the screenshot. So again within 15 minutes Vidatri Pattuchira ane Instagram page lo live vastamandi. So please do catch us over there.